Hello, my clever students. Hope all is well. Because I know how much my students love and enjoy reading, I brought a passage that's full of new information. I have learned new information as well after I read it. It's your turn to learn new information as we are going to read a passage about thunder and lightning, and then answer 2 reading comprehension questions, and finally, identify the meaning of 4 new vocabularies using context clues. Well, now you'll watch a short video. Do you have any idea, or are you familiar with the names of these natural phenomena or natural events that often happen in winter? I think most of you have recalled the names, which are thunder and lightning. Well, what's lightning? It's a noun because it ends with ing. Lightning comes from the word light, and light comes from electricity. Well, lightning happens between clouds. It's a very powerful electrical discharge made during a thunderstorm. Well, what is thunder? Do you have any idea? Thunder is the sound caused by lightning. Well, it is usually a scary, terrifying sound. Now let's move to the main question. Do you know how do thunder and lightning happen? You might have no idea about it, but I am sure that you are eager and excited to learn and know how do these events happen. So let's read about these wonderful phenomena and know how they happen. Thunder clouds are huge and awesomely powerful. Very big thunder clouds tower 16 kilometers, 10 miles or more into the air and contain enough energy to light a small town for a year. No wonder then that they can unleash such devastating storms. It takes very strong updrafts of air to build such huge and powerful clouds, which is why they tend to form along cloud fronts or over ground heated by strong sunshine. Violent air currents sweep up and down outside the cloud, tearing the water droplets and ice crystals apart and then crashing them together again. These collisions load the cloud particles with static electricity, just as rubbing a balloon on a sweater does. Lightning is the sudden release of the charge built up on millions of particles within the thunder cloud. A flash of lightning heats the air along its path so dramatically that it expands at supersonic speed. This expansion causes a deafening crash of thunder. Well, that was the passage. It is short, but it is full of new information about thunder and lightning. After reading this passage more than one time, you have to answer reading comprehension questions. You have to give complete answers. Well, the first question is, how is static electricity formed in clouds? The WH word, how, usually asks about the way. So you have to write about the way that the static electricity is formed. So you should write your answer as the following. The static electricity formed when blah 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 blah. Okay? Number 2. What happens when the static electricity is released? The WH word what usually asks about something. So you should answer as the following. When the static electricity is released, something happens. I'm sure that you will find the answers easily if you read the text well. Finally, let's move to the last part where you have to find words that could be used in thunder and lightning in place of the words below. You have to identify their meanings using context clues. So you have to look for the word in the passage and try to find its meaning by reading the sentence more than one time. And by reading the sentence more than one time, you can understand the meaning of the sentence. And once you understood it, you can identify the meaning of the target word. Thank you, my clever students. Have a good day.